Good morning, dear students. Welcome to all of you in online classes of mathematics and next exercise of miscellaneous exercise 5. Question number first. If matrix A is equal to 1 1 1 minus 1 2 3, then find A inverse. Okay. Formula of A inverse is equal to adjoint A upon determinant A. So, determinant A is equal to 1 minus 1 2 3 implies determinant A is equal to 3 into 1 3 minus 2 into minus 1 minus 2, it means plus 2 is equal to 5 not equal 0. Determinant A not equal 0. So, A inverse exists. Okay. Determinant A not equal 0, so A inverse exists. But determinant A equal 0, so A inverse not exist. Upon finding of cofactor of matrix A. Cofactor of matrix A. F 1 1 over 1. Cofactor of element first is equal to, leaving the corresponding row and column, is equal to 3. 1 plus 1 2, it means even number, positive. Okay. F 1 2 over minus 1. Cofactor of element minus 1 is equal to, leaving the corresponding row and column, is equal to 2. 1 plus 2 3, it means odd number, negative sign. Okay. F21 over 2 is equal to, leaving the corresponding row and column, is equal to minus 1. Okay. 2 plus 1 3, it means odd number, it means negative sign, minus minus plus 1, and F22 over 3 is equal to 1. So, Fij is equal to F11, F12, F21, F22. F11 is equal to 3 minus 2, 1, 1. Okay. Implies adjoint A is equal to Fij power of t. It means transpose of Fij is equal to transpose of Fij. It means 3 minus 1, 1. Okay. Adjoint A. Hence, A inverse is equal to adjoint A upon determinant A. Formula of A inverse is equal to adjoint A upon determinant A. Implies A inverse is equal to determinant A 1 upon 5 into adjoint A 3 1 minus 2 1 3 1 minus 2 1. Okay. A inverse is equal to something. Question number first complete. Next, question number 3. If matrix A is equal to something is a singular matrix, then find the value of x. Given that matrix A is equal to 1 minus 2 3 1 2 1 x 2 minus 3. Okay. Because matrix A is a singular matrix, so determinant A is equal to 0. According to question, matrix A is a singular matrix, so determinant A is equal to 0. Implies 1 minus 2 3 1 2 1 x 2 minus 3 is equal to 0. On expanding along R1, element first 1, leaving the corresponding row and column, 2 into minus 3 minus 6 minus 2 plus 2 into minus 3 minus x plus 3 into 2 minus 2x is equal to 0. Okay. Minus 6 minus 2 minus 8 minus 6 minus 2x plus 3 into 2 6 minus 6x is equal to 0. 6 cancel out, implies minus 6x minus 2x minus 8x minus 8 is equal to 0, implies x is equal to minus 1. That is the answer. Okay, question number 3 complete. Next question. Question number 4, first part. Use Cramer rule to solve the following system of a equation. Okay, use a Cramer rule. Given that two x minus y is equal to 17, 3x plus 5y is equal to 6. Okay, here del equal to coefficient of xy 2 minus 1 3 5. Okay, implies del is equal to 5 into 2 10 minus plus 3, implies del is equal to 30. Okay, del 1 is equal to del 1 constant terms and coefficient of y minus 1 5, implies del 1 is equal to 17 into 5 is equal to 85 minus 6 into minus 1 minus 6, it means plus 6, implies del 1 is equal to 91. Okay, and del 2 is equal to coefficient of x 2 3 and constant term 17 6, implies del 2 is equal to 6 into 2 8 minus 17 into 3 51, implies del 2 is equal to minus 39. Okay, because del not equal 0, del 1 not equal 0 and del 2 not equal 0. So this system of equation is consistent and independent. Okay, it has unique solution. It has a unique solution. The system of equation is consistent and independent. It has unique solution. So, by Cramer rules. So, by Cramer's rules. Okay. Cramer's rules is equal to x is equal to del 1 upon del. A implies x is equal to del 1 91 upon del 13 implies x is equal to 7. Okay. And y is equal to del 2 upon del implies y is equal to del 2 minus 39 by 13 implies y is equal to minus 3. Thus, solution of system of equation is x is equal to 7 and y is equal to minus 3. Okay. First solution of system of equation is x is equal to 7 and y is equal to minus 3. Next question number 6. Okay. Find a matrix A of order 2. Find a matrix A of order 2 where given that matrix A into 1 minus 2 1 4 equal to 6 0 0 6. Okay. Find the value of matrix A. Let A into B is equal to C. Find the value of matrix A implies matrix A is equal to C into B inverse. C into B inverse. Matrix A is equal to C into B inverse. Equation first. Matrix C where matrix B is equal to 1 minus 2 1 4 and C is equal to 6 0 0 6. Okay. Matrix A and matrix B is equal to something and matrix C is equal to something. Matrix C is equal to 6 0 0 6 and B inverse formula of B inverse is equal to adjoint B upon determinant B. So determinant B is equal to 1 minus 2 1 4 implies determinant B is equal to 4 plus 2 is equal to 6 not equal 0. Determinant B. So B inverse exists. Okay. Upon finding the cofactor of matrix B. Upon finding the cofactor of matrix B, F11 over 1 is equal to 4. F12 over minus 2 is equal to 1 minus F21 over 1 is equal to plus 2 and f2 2 over 4 is equal to 1. Okay, upon finding the cofactor of matrix B, element first -2, 1 and 4. Okay. So Fij is equal to F11, F12, F21, F22 is equal to 4 minus 1 2 1. Adjoint B is equal to transpose of matrix Fij is equal to 4 minus 1 2 1. Okay. Hence B inverse is equal to adjoint B upon determinant B is equal to B inverse is equal to determinant B 6 1 by 6 into adjoint B 4 2 minus 1 1. B inverse. B inverse is equal to something from equation first. From equation first, A is equal to matrix A equal to C into C. Matrix is 6 0 0 6 6 0 0 6 into B inverse. B inverse is equal to something 1 by 6 into 4 2 minus 1 1. Okay. Matrix A is equal to 1 by 6 into first row first column. First row first column. 6 into 4 24 plus 0 12 plus 0 0 minus 6 0 plus 6. Okay, is equal to 1 by 6 into 24 12 minus 6 6. 1 by 6 into 24 1 by 6 into 12 1 by 6 into minus 6 1 by 6 into 6 is equal to 4 2 minus 1 1. Matrix A. That is answer. Okay, we will discuss in next video. Thank you so much.